Amber Heard is said to have left Hollywood and moved across the pond to Spain months after she agreed to settle the defamation case against her ex-husband Johnny Depp. Amber Heard, 37, has reportedly moved out of Hollywood with her 2-year-old daughter Una in a bid to pursue a quieter life in Madrid, Spain. The Aquaman actress saw herself at the center of media attention for part of last year over her high-profile defamation trial brought against her by her ex-husband Johnny Depp. According to sources, the film star is now set to start a new life in Europe, where she can be away from all the noise. I can reveal that Heard has quit Hollywood and quietly relocated to Spain with her young daughter Una, the Daily Mail's Alison Bischoff claimed in an article published Thursday, May 4. According to the journalist, a friend of Heard added, "She's bilingual in Spanish and is happy there, raising her daughter away from all the noise." However, the actress is said to stay open to the possibility of returning to Los Angeles one day if it is for the right job. "I don't think she is in any hurry to return to work or to Hollywood, but she will probably come back when the time is right, for the right project," the source added. Heard sold her sprawling 3-bedroom Yucca Valley, California, home in July 2022 for $1.1 million, according to the Post's reports. The purported sale was made after Heard spoke out in her first televised interview following the verdict from her trial, in which a jury unanimously decided Heard was responsible for losing Depp millions of dollars in earnings with an op-ed she wrote. Depp has been awarded $10 million in compensation, and $5 million in punitive damages, which was slashed to $350,000 due to a statutory limit in the state of Virginia after the jury deliberated for 3 days. Heard, who will have a chance to appeal the verdict, won $2 million back in compensatory damages after winning one of her claims in the countersuit, but $0 in punitive damages. The actress told NBC News' Savannah Guthrie she had done horrible things during the couple's time together and she had so much regret due to the way she behaved. She said, "I did do and say horrible, regrettable things throughout my relationship. I behaved in horrible, almost unrecognizable to myself ways. I have so much regret."